Hello everyone, today we will learn how to find the sum of digits of a number. So let's start. First of all, we will include the header files, that is include stdioh.h and include stdlib.h. Now we will start our main function. So we will initialize it to int main. First of all, we will declare the integers that we will be using in this program. So first, I have given a comment. These are comments, guys. Please don't confuse it with the actual code. So comment is that declaration of integers. So first we will declare int a, initialize it to 0. Then int sum, give its value 0 to. Similarly, one integer dummy and one integer I. We are done with the declaring of the variables of integer types. So now let's start. So now let's move on to the next line. Now we will give a printf statement that will be enter the number, and then we will scan the number that the user will input, and that will be equals to a that we have declared above. Then we will make the value of the dummy variable to a, because the value of a will be changed in the upcoming steps. Now comes the main part, and that is writing the logic of the code. So let's start with it. We will use a while loop where a will be greater than 0. In the first line of the loop, we will give I is equals to a modulo 10. Now guys, what does this symbol mean, this modulo symbol? This is the remainder. That means suppose 902 is getting divided by 10, then the remainder will be 2, and this is given by the modulo function. So when 902 is divided by 10, it will give 90.2, but when it is 900 modulo 10, it will give 2. It will give the remainder value and not the quotient value. Okay guys, this is not that hard to understand, and we will use this in finding even or odd numbers in that problem too. Now heading on to the next line, that will be the value of sum that we declared top. Initially sum was 0, and then we will add the value of I, that was the remainder which we got by a modulo 10, and the value of sum will update to 0 plus a modulo 10. And after this thing is done, we will make the value of a is equals to a divided by 10. This will give the quotient without a decimal, because these things, all of the variables, they are declared as integers. So in the last step, we make the value of a to a divided by 10. This gives us the quotient which makes the value of a. And what I mean by this is that if 902 is divided by 10, then the actual answer is 90.2, but here a is an integer value, so the answer will come only of the integer part, and that is the front part, that will be 90, and the new value of a becomes 90, and the loop will repeat. The loop will repeat if a is greater than 0. So that means that the last step of 902 will be when 9 modulo 10 will happen. And finally we write printf, the sum of the digits of %d is %d. So first we call dummy, which we declared in top, and then sum. Okay, let's build it. And now let's run it. So here comes the terminal. So I will give my number as 4545, and I'll hit enter. Then it will come the sum of the digits of 4545 is 18. So the second line where it is written the sum of digits of 4545, that 4545 is stored in the dummy, which we initially declared before the loop. And the sum is 18. Obviously 4 plus 5 is 9, again 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 is 18. So guys, it is correct. And all of these iterations happened similarly as I showed in the previous video. You can click the I button to understand the process of this while loops that happen like this. So click it if you have not understood it fully. I am sure you will know how to use a while loop in that video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, I will bring more of these videos which will be mostly related to your college syllabus questions. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a nice day.